Have you heard about the lightest solid in the world? So, there is a shocking material that can withstand the high temperature of 2000 degrees Celsius, can withstand liquid nitrogen, which is extremely cold, and can make you soak in water without getting wet at all. Aerogel is known as the lightest solid in the world. The translucent shape makes it look like a piece of frozen smoke. In fact, 99.8% of it is air. At present, the lightest aerogel is a full carbon aerogel, which is only 1/6 of the density of air. It has been officially selected into the Guinness World Records as the lowest density solid in the world. The first documented example of an aerogel was created by Samuel Stevens Kistler in 1931, as a result of a bet with Charles learned over who could replace the liquid in jellies with gas without causing shrinkage. Aerogels are produced by extracting the liquid component of a gel through supercritical drying or freeze drying. This allows the liquid to be slowly dried off without causing the solid matrix in the gel to collapse from capillary action, as would happen with conventional evaporation. The first aerogels were produced from silica gels. Kistler's later work involved aerogels based on alumina, chromia, and tin dioxide. Carbon aerogels were first developed in the late 1980s. They are good conductive insulators because they are composed almost entirely of gases, which are very poor heat conductors. Silica aerogel is an especially good insulator because silica is also a poor conductor of heat. The nanopores aren't visible to the human eye. The existence of these pores makes the aerogel so adept at insulating. Aerogel was even used to catch comet and interstellar dust in NASA's Stardust mission. It was used on the Mars Pathfinder rover. One use for aerogel is in space where it collects very tiny dust particles. After a particle hits aerogel, it buries itself in the material and comes to a stop. Then, the aerogel is returned to Earth where scientists can examine it more closely. In the earlier days, it was used as thickening agents, cigarette fillers, and insulation for freezers. The first commercialization of silica aerogel was blanket for thermal insulation. After that, several researchers around the world are searching applications of aerogel other than insulation. Aerogels can be organic, inorganic, and composites with other materials. Although aerogels are expensive, chemists are still carrying out tests to brand it tougher, inexpensive, and less harmful. That was about aerogel, and if you enjoyed watching this video, like and subscribe to our channel and stay updated whenever a video is posted.